Most people think computer vision and image processing are the same thing. Even engineers confuse them. But here is the truth. If you mix them up, you will struggle with computer vision forever. By the end of this video, the difference will be crystal clear. If you want to work on cameras, robots, medical imaging, or AI-powered systems, you must understand this difference. It affects how you learn algorithms, how you write code, and how you design real-world systems. Here is the simplest way to think about it. Image processing changes images, then computer vision understands images. So one improves pixels, the other extracts meaning. So image processing, it improves pixels, then computer vision extracts meaning. Image processing focuses on transforming images. The input is an image and the output is also an image. When you increase brightness or remove noise or sharpen edges or compress an image, you are doing image processing. Nothing is being understood, the image is just being modified. Computer vision is different. Here, the goal is understanding. The input is an image, but the output is information, such as labels, coordinates, and decisions. Here you ask questions like, is there a face? Is there a car? Where is the object? This is computer vision. So here is an example of a computer vision project where an Arduino controlled 7-segment display is operated using computer vision instead of physical buttons. Here, a camera captures hand gestures in real time, as you can see on screen, while we use Python, OpenCV, and MediaPipe technique to process the video field to detect and interpret finger movements, as you can see on screen. So this is an example of a computer vision project. Let us compare them directly. Image processing asks the question, how can I improve this image? Then computer vision asks the question, what is inside this image? Image processing outputs images, computer vision outputs knowledge. In real systems, these two are not enemies. They work together. Computer vision systems rarely use raw camera data. They rely on image processing first, which is clean image in, then understanding out. Think about face recognition on your phone. Image processing adjusts the lighting, removes noise, and enhances edges. Computer vision then detects your face, recognizes features, and unlocks your phone. Both are essential. Machine learning is what connects everything. Many computer vision systems use machine learning to learn patterns, but even modern image processing uses learning too. This is why the boundary between them is becoming blurry. If a system outputs another image, it is usually image processing. If it outputs meaning, labels, or decisions, it is computer vision. Remember this rule and you will never be confused again. In the next video, we will break images down to their smallest units, pixels, and we'll see how images become data and how computers actually see numbers, not pictures. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video so the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to embedded system lovers and to innovators and other people who are passionate about computer vision. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your question in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and bye.